Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. Hope you're all doing well. So we're going to jump straight into it. So last week we was looking for a downwards move from here to go around this area and this area. Then we was looking for a potential reversal to the upside. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see we got this move here back to the upside, which supported support and resistance, then continued down, and that was because of the elections. Then we stayed out of this move. Next day we got into this nice big move here to the upside, so that gave a nice big bit of profit for the week, and that was enough for the week. Just one trade, simple, nice movement to the upside, and then we done a little forecast, and we had an analysis in play for what to happen next in the VIP service. So that's all I'm going to explain next. Exactly what we went over in that analysis. So we go to a new chart. Here we are on the daily time frame. Now you can see, if we go to the 4 hour, we have this area here that runs along there. Now this is your breaker. So what that means is this is your consolidation, this is your fake out down, and then this is your impulse move up. And what it's doing is retracing. It retraces to the start of the fake out. So it's the start of the manipulation move, which is this grey area that runs along there. You can see here it's running along the middle of the consolidation, and from that area we get the push down, and that starts the high volume going into the market. So this area is key, and that's why you got a reversal from here. Now all you got to do is wait for the price to start playing out, and then it will favour either a bullish or bearish direction. That's the simpleness of trading. Now you've had the retracement to here. Now if this is a retracement and we're just retesting these buy orders here, then you would expect a continuation towards the upside like that, and to target a new all-time high. So what that is this is impulse move, retracement, and then another impulse move up. So to get that, go down to the 1 hour time frame, and you see price action like this. You have your breaker here, so you stick that on like that. So that is now your breaker on the smaller time frame. So what that means is that area should be used as bullish support. You can see this hit support resistance now, and you're getting that downwards movement. So you would need this area to hold as your bullish support to create the continuation towards the upside, and that's to follow the bullish continuation on the 4 hour time frame. So you would get something like that, and that would mean you're targeting this high first, these highs here, and then a new all-time high, and that would validate this is a retest to just add more buy orders into the market. Like I said, you just have to wait for Monday for price to start playing out. We do have CPI this week, so look out for that, and it followed by PPI. They are moments of high impact volume going into the market, so look out for that. Now, that is the clear bullish scenario. That is what I'm currently favouring. That's what I'll be looking out for on Monday. Now, I won't just enter into a buy to follow that. I'll wait for the London opening and New York opening, and wait for that structure to be followed and volume to be pushed towards the upside. Then I will get into the move. You don't just trade your analysis and then enter anywhere. You have to enter following confirmations. So now let's do the bearish scenario. Get rid of that. I could use this arrow. So let's say this is your consolidation. This is a big impulse move, which is a higher time frame fake out. So let's go to the daily. So let's say this is your fake out up, and now this is the start of an impulse move down, which is likely to go down towards this area. So this is consolidation, fake out, impulse move down. So what you'd be looking for is just that bearish pressure towards the downside and no kind of bullish support. Go back to the 4 hour time frame, and all you do, daily time frame actually, and all you do is drag your areas along. So these are what you'll be targeting your main areas, just normal support and resistant kind of areas. So you'd be looking to target them ones are below. So what this means is, if we go down to the smaller time frame, this is your impulse move down with the elections. This is being seen as a retracement, and it's support and resistance. So once this area starts to break, this is the same thing, just preparing for the next scenario. Let's say that starts breaking, you get a little retest, and then you get the continuation down. If you get that, then this is invalidating the bullish scenario. It's not valid. It's not favouring this as a retest. It's now favouring a continuation down, and this move here is now likely to go below this area first. So you should see something like that. You just got to wait for one scenario to start taking place, and that's all we do. We prepare, have different scenarios based on manipulation areas and liquidity and the higher time frame. Then we just wait for one of these scenarios to start being followed. Hopefully it's during the New York session, because that's where all the volume is, and then we just trade in line with that scenario. So this is the bearish one, and the reason for that is this is a retracement, support and resistance, and you'll just be looking for, you could even go into a wedge here and then drop down. It just means the bearish pressure is likely to continue towards the downside. So that's the bearish scenario, which I'll be looking out for. And the all important confirmation here is once this breaker starts to break and price starts to move towards this low here, then it's showing weakness in price and it's likely to go down further. So that would be the area you'd likely to be targeting first. Now if we zoom out, so that would be a drop to the next level. Then you do the same. Look for potential reversal. If no bullish pressure, then you carry on, target the next area. And what you'd be getting is a higher time frame impulse move down, but you're analysing the smaller time frames so you can trade off that. So yeah, there's the weekly forecast. Look out for CPI news. That's what I am doing on Monday and Tuesday. Just focusing on those two scenarios, one bullish. Hopefully we get the bullish one, because it will be an easier way to generate profit. You just have to buy and target the all-time high, because it's just a continuation towards the upside, and it can go fast. It doesn't have to go slow and give you a retracement. It can just, this is an impulse move if it does continue up. So that's what you have to look out for. Take care, have faith in what you see, and just go for it. You're the one pressing the button at the end today, so it's all down to you. You either go do it or not. Take care, have a good day. Links are in the video description, and goodbye.